Hi, I'm Dr. Natasja Bevans, and I want to be the first to welcome you to Bijou Dental Spa. The concept for a dental spa came out of hearing so many people's stories about having past bad dental experiences, and therefore they end up with dental anxiety or fear. And I thought to myself, that's really sad that people are avoiding getting the dental care that they need because of a past bad experience. So that's where the spa part came in. We have a full day spa because spas are relaxing, massage therapist and an esthetician in the same space, but we also are really proud to say that all of our procedures, we incorporate as many spa amenities as possible so that people can feel really calm and comfortable during their visit. My goal as a dentist is very simple. I have high ethical standards, and I open my own practice so that I can practice dentistry the right way and do the best dentistry that people deserve. I hope that you'd come visit us and that you get to meet my incredible team and see our beautiful space. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you.